So it is finally here. The day has arrived. I received this package. I want to show my address from Bandung Leather. I have been following these guys on Instagram for about a year and a half. I'm from South Africa. I've always admired their leather jackets. I've ordered one from them, even though the instructions were given in Bahasa, Indonesian. With the assistance of someone, I managed to get the measurements translated that I needed. So, very excited about this guy. So this is kind of a unboxing, if you will. This is the packaging it came in. Nice solid film box. Off the bat, I can say amazing packaging. So this is what the packet comes in. All the details, Instagram handle, Bandung Leather, WhatsApp and Facebook. Comes in a nice dust-proof bag. Just put this box aside. Inside a plastic bag as well. Wow. From the offset, I can say a piece of leather over here just to cover the buckle. From the offset, I can say, yeah, very happy with the quality. Good quality, good craftsmanship. You can see the detail on the jacket. Now, they do ask you if you want it a little bit longer for if you're driving motorcycle. Me, I don't drive motorcycle, so I suggested that I wanted it to sit in my wrist. So having a look at this guy. Oh, beautiful lining inside. With a lovely, with a logo. So as you know about leather, the more you wear leather, the more it molds to your body shape. Love it. So you can see, sits perfect on my wrist the way I would like it. Given time, I'm sure it will wear out more. Yeah, close up. So you can see how far the jacket sits. It's exactly where I wanted to sit. I don't like my jackets over here, so I prefer it over there. Very good. Mantap Bandung Leather.